Getting Plaster with Jerry. Today I'm going to show you guys how to take a plain little shirt and turn it into a cute little Valentine shirt. Find yourself an old towel to put down so that way you don't get any paint anywhere. I suggest maybe doing this outside. It's pretty windy outside today, so I'm not going out there. That's not happening. But I've got my shirt, my old towel, got a piece of poster board. I put my heart on. I traced and cut out this little piece to fit here. Okay? I'm not going to make you guys sit through me cutting and tracing, but that's how I did that. Hold onto that piece. Take your heart. We're going to go underneath. This is a wood heart from Dollar Tree. The other shirts I tried this on, it was a little different material. This is a plain white t-shirt. Stole a couple of my husband's. I would say don't tell him, but he's going to be editing this, so he's going to know. You want to get your shirt even underneath. Okay, I think I'm pretty even. Got a little ruler just to be sure. Okay, I got 3 inches from that. 3 inches from that. Pretty good. Okay, and one of the little spray bottles from Dollar Tree, the pump spray bottles, I have multi-surface acrylic paint, and I mix it with a little bit of water. And it does say it's for material on there in one of the listings of all the stuff. Okay, we have that in. We're going to be using little metal pieces I got from Dollar Tree. I guess these are for making a wreath. And I want it to say Valentine Love. Really cute. Get my little cardboard piece there. Wrap it all underneath. Make sure it's tight. And then that piece is going to secure that from getting any paint on it. Kind of press it down just a little bit. And on the shirt I've picked out to use for this, it's got no stain on there. I quit wearing it, so I thought this would be a cute way to revive it. I don't think that spot might end up showing anyway. Oh no. That's okay. The Valentine Love. You can do this with any shirt for other holidays. Dollar Tree has a lot of these in the holiday section. I have some really cute ones that say Special Harvest and all kind of fun ones. That's my little doggy Spartacus you hear. Alright, shake it up and just start spraying it. As I said, put a towel down or go outside. I tried this with a dye and it faded a lot. But it did make for a pretty pink shirt after it was all done. And I'll still wear it. Little sound effects. Wipe your fingers a bit on your little dirty towel. Carefully peel these up because they are going to have the paint and you don't want it. So cute! Oh my gosh, I love it. Love, 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 love. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And voila! Okay, we're going to let that dry for a bit. Go on to the next step. See you in a little while.
A little later.
Been about an hour. I put it in front of a fan to dry. It's pretty dry now. I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper. Should cover it. I'll move it around a little bit. Got my iron just on a low setting and to help lock it into place. Glasses off. You can do this with any type of stencil, really, if you wanted to. And make your own holiday shirt or any occasion. Add a little bit of spray over right there. Okay, I'll still wear it. I think it's cute. Let everybody know I did it myself. First time you wash it, I would wash it separately, just in case it fades off. But the other ones I tried this on, it did not have any fading with the paint that I used. The dye I used, the white shirts are now pink. I'll still wear them. They're cute. Y'all, how cute is that? And it is not stiff or hard. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love, 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 love. Valentine love. All right, guys, I hope you like this. Please like, subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.